Somewhere in this picturesque yard, the world's deadliest animal lurks: the mosquito. Persistent and adaptive, she moves on her own schedule, repeating a cycle that keeps her population growing. Here, nature finds a way to thrive. But now, that same natural instinct becomes her downfall. The In2Care Mosquito Station uses a mosquito's own behavior to keep control working, even after you've left. It spreads control beyond the station itself, as each female that comes into contact with an In2Care Mosquito Station carries actives to surrounding breeding sites. Over time, control builds. Fewer mosquitoes emerge, fewer breeding sites remain active, and pressure drops between visits. For pest management professionals, it creates a clear reason to return, not to chase problems, but to keep protection in place and support ongoing service. Each visit reinforces control. Each visit adds value. It's control that puts mosquitoes to work, turning their movement into protection that keeps you earning month after month.